Welcome to Yachting Hub Miami, the Yacht and Boat Spotter channel.
So the party's not in the front. I don't know if the party's in the captain's quarters. I think it may be downstairs in the back. So we're gonna check the party out in the back first.
Well guys, another short, exciting video from Haulover Inlet. I hope you liked it. Also, I want to remind you that we are doing live content on the weekends and you can see it through the channel. So on the weekends, be sure to come back and view some of the crazy captures that Joseph catches and also narrates. So it's pretty funny sometimes. So come back on the weekends and be sure to watch it. Also, please, if you are new to the channel and you like the content, subscribe and ring the notification bell, because that way you will be notified of all our upcoming videos. So now, thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video. Take care.